Hey guys, today we're going to talk about some of my favorite beauty products that I've been using for the past, I want to say maybe 3 months. I keep everything in rotation, but this is what I've been using for the past, okay, maybe not 3 months, maybe like 2 months. So I'm going to start with foundations. This one is the Laura Geller Filter First primer in the color Buff. Then the second one that I've been using, which I'm almost done with, is this Frankie Rose foundation, and that is in the color Neutral. And also I've been using, which I just got this one, I want to say that maybe a month ago, is the Makeup Revolution foundation in the color F7? Yeah, Fair 7. Those are the foundation products that I've been using. The powder, I don't know where my powder is right now. I've been using the ColourPop powder, and that's really the only powder that I use. And then for bronzers, I have the Butter Bronzer. I'm almost done with that one. And then the Becca Sunrise Wave Bronzer. I love this bronzer, and I just found out that it was limited edition. Thank God I bought like 3 of them, but I'm almost done with that one. That's my favorite bronzers. For blush, I just grabbed one Burt's Bee, but I have all the Burt's Bees blushes, and that's really all that I use for blush. For highlighter, my Emrazy highlighter, that's my favorite highlighter. I don't use it a lot, and even when I decide to use it, like for every day, you can put it on. The only thing that I love this highlighter is you can put it on and make it look natural, or it can be blinding. That highlighter is beautiful, and I've seen it on every skin tone, and it is gorgeous. So that highlighter is definitely worth getting. For eyes, these are the only 2 palettes that I really use every day. These 2, the Zodiac Palette from ColourPop and ManEater from Tart. I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. Like today I'm wearing the Soft Glam. That one, when I first got it, I used it a lot, but I put it away, and I use these 2. I use these 2 more than that one. And then for lips, I have my chapstick. This is my favorite chapstick. It's Smith's Rosebud. This is amazing. I was using like regular chapsticks, and that they were just like drying out my lips. This, I just coat it at night. My lips are hardly ever chapped, and when they are, like I have like 4 of these. I have one in my purse, I have one in my backpack, I have one on my makeup stand. Like I have them everywhere. That's the only thing I use on my lips for chapstick wise. My favorite lipstick right now is also from Frankie Rose in the color Hipster. It's a very nice nude color. This is perfect when I don't want to deal with like liquid lips or whatever. I don't want to line my lips. I just throw this on really quick and I'm good to go. That one's always in my purse. This one is from Life Glam, the makeup subscription. As you can see, I've used a lot of this one already. It was their Oh Martha. It was like a special limited edition for December, and I'm already almost done with this lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss, which I'm wearing right now, Liquid Lip, is the tie between these 2. This one is Verona from Ofra, and this is Angel from Kylie Cosmetics. These 2 are my favorite liquid lips. I put them on and they don't go anywhere. This one, Kylie's the one that I use most, like especially when I'm going out. Like right now, I've been drinking and eating, and it did not go anywhere. That's my favorite for when we're going out to eat or any special occasion where I need my lips to stay on and I don't want to keep reapplying. This one, it's a little bit darker on me, so I like it when we go out, but I don't wear this often. Like the ones that I usually wear every day are the Frankie Rose, and then if I'm in a rush, I just throw this on there because these two are always in my purse. So that's usually what I have on my lips. But these two are reserved for when I go out, special occasions. And that's really it for today. That's all that that's what I've been using for this past 2 months. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye!